So yesterday I posted a video about feeling overwhelmed about all the information that's out there regarding nutrition and health, and how it's okay to not be or feel guilty regarding all that stuff when you don't accomplish what you set out to accomplish. And I felt like I was in the shower, TMI, but I was like, I should take a cold shower. And then it hit me. It's like, there are so many things that are prescribed. They're prescriptive. I feel like I've gone through phases in my life where I've tried to tick off all the boxes because I feel like it'll give me a leg up, it'll make me better, it'll make me faster, stronger, lose weight, whatever the end goal is. And then there are days where I'm like, oh, to hell with it all, because I'm freaking tired. And yeah, I didn't meditate today. Yeah, I didn't journal today. Yeah, I wasn't grateful today. Yeah, I didn't take a cold shower. Yeah, I didn't eat perfect 100%. Yeah, I snuck a cookie. Come on. Like, I don't know about you, but I feel like it can, again, be overwhelming. And so how do you go from overwhelm to actually making progress? Because there is that ability to make progress. How do you choose to just be at a standstill because you're overwhelmed and feeling like, well, it's too much, I can't move anywhere, I can't go forward with anything? How do you go from that place to actually taking the steps that are necessary so that you do see change? And one thing that I do want to recommend to both myself, I'm reiterating to myself, make small changes. Doesn't have to be big. Set your goal and then break down what it's going to take to get to that goal and make the small incremental changes and reward yourself for those changes. For instance, if you hate taking cold showers and you're feeling like maybe that's my path to help charge up my metabolism, set a timer or count to 10 or 15 or whatever it is, and take a quick breath and do it, right? Even 10 seconds is better than no seconds at all. And I'm not even prescribing a cold shower. I'm just using it as an example, right? So let's get out there, make the small changes so that we can actually make some progress, right? And not let overwhelm. Best of luck to you. If you would like to chat with me, because I've figured out a few things that can help you overcome that overwhelm, I am so happy to chat about it. It's free. Link is in the bio. Bye.